All right, Erie News Now's Mental Health Awareness Month coverage continues this morning, and today we're focusing on educators and the toll that their responsibilities can take on their mental health.
Yeah, you'll remember we were live at Union City High School Friday ahead of their big Mental Health Awareness Day. But it's not just the students that need to take care of their mental health.
Teaching, as we know, can be pretty stressful, and that can tend to take a backseat to the concerns about the kids. But this morning, the newest member of our Erie News Now Sunrise team, Jacob Brooks, talked to some local educators to see how they're holding up.
The school year can feel long, especially in May at this time of year.
So much work to do and not enough time to do it in.
Research says teachers are more likely to have job-related stress than other working adults. Amanda Grack is an elementary school gym teacher at Fort LaBeouf. She's felt the stress herself.
You have people's whole world in your hands. Like you're taking care of, at a time, 20 kids that are everything to someone.
But she's dealing with more than just stress. She has OCD.
It used to be very hard for me to talk about. The first time I admitted it openly, I cried.
She knew for years that she had it, but only started getting therapy for it about a year ago.
I think at age 41, I reflect and think it's really sad that I didn't do this earlier for myself because I struggled for a long time.
Amanda says people talk more openly about mental health than they used to, even at school.
I think it's great Fort LaBeouf is really just not just talking about it, but being about it.
Some of that comes from the United Way. Their data says teachers want more mental health support.
And that's something that we have seen just across the board. It is a need.
To relieve stress, teachers had some practical ideas, like a more comfortable teacher's lounge or breaks during the day.
That doesn't always cost money, but to be able to step in and have the capacity to give some folks a break when they need it throughout the day, just like we do for our students.
Jacob Brooks, Erie News Now.
Of course, several of the teachers that we talked to say the pandemic made their jobs a lot harder.
Yeah, they told our Jacob Brooks that this school year was actually the first one that felt normal since all the way back in 2020. Meantime, you can get a look at all of our Mental Health Awareness Month coverage anytime you'd like by heading to erienewsnow.com.